I'm in some sector right now. That does not give you any idea, but like the plan is to photograph trees, but I know for a fact I'm going to get distracted, so we are photographing. But the thing is, I'm just going to be photographing in this sector, so stay tuned with me. Let's photograph. We are shooting with the 50mm because I would like some sharpness. I think Chandigarh is the kind of place, if you've got plenty of money, this is the place you want to settle in. It doesn't get any better than this. That is so freaking pretty. The bougainvillea is hanging. Okay, all these posh cars and beautiful houses. This is my favorite right here. Because this car hasn't moved in ages. I really love the leaves. I think the backdrop's really nice, or kind of. Something about this is very archaic. It's very rustic looking. Maybe I need a wide lens for that. Although I do like him sitting under the tree. Come on, focus. That is simple. Moving onwards. Okay, that car looks like either it's some vintage Mercedes or a Rolls Royce or something, but that's quite vintage. But it's covered up, so I've only spent a couple of minutes roaming around the sector, and the statement that what's wrong with this dodgy? No. We have a tree in front of us that just looks absolutely stunning. Wow, simple shot. Even though it's not the full tree, but the stem and the branches makes the most of it. Even that one is quite phenomenal. I really love the shape. Oh wow, I really like the trio, but we'll now have to figure out how to shoot. It's not making really much sense, but and then there are some trees that those are just standing out like totally. I have to move a little back. Shut. You wanna? Just get going. Get going. I really love the branches. I really love the branches of this tree, the shape, the crookedness, if that makes any sense at all, but still beautiful. You know, I've spent so many years in Chandigarh and I never really thought out of the box or just broadened my horizon as to what all I can shoot or what all the city has to offer. Because when I moved here, I was doing landscape photography and only landscape photography. So I just totally gave up photographing. I just didn't even think to the extent of I can just go out on the streets and shoot, because A, it was out of my comfort zone, B, I never really wanted to leave that comfort zone. But ever since I've tried to go out, ever since I've just tried to think like out of the box or what all I can shoot, be it birds, trees, cars, people, dogs and whatnot, everything. It could be abstracts. Ever since I've started doing that, a hell lot of opportunities have opened up for me. And I think that's very vital when it comes to photography. Like, you don't have to bind yourself to one niche. Go crazy, go wild. I guess that is what I'd like to say through this video. Just experiment. I'm really loving these trees, but this is something I've had the knack for, I've had the love for a while now. So I'm really in my element right now, but when I leave the park, I'm going to be out on the streets. I'm not going to hesitate from shooting people. Okay, photographing people. But this is crazy. I would have never wandered into this park if it wasn't for my knack for, you know, like, I want to do street photography. I would have never. But now I'm here. I'm really thanking myself for doing it. So let's go. Honestly, every tree that I'm looking at is quite stunning, to say the least. Although there are some trees that would require a wide angle lens, but still we're going strong so far. This one's getting lost. It's not really standing out, or I think I'm not able to do justice to the beauty of this tree. That's slightly better. Look down, it's phenomenal. I really like that all the people that are sitting under the tree just wearing all those colorful clothes. Just immediately stands out. But how do I compose it to... Whenever I'm out shooting, I've been wearing this bucket hat. One change. What the fuck? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
बिल्ला पड़ गया था.
कुत्ता पड़ गया था? आजा मेरे साथ आजा. भागियो मत, भागा मत चल. Stray dog problem, it's getting real. They attack people selectively. Ever since I've started wearing this hat, they've been barking at me and just trying to gang up on me. Can I do something with the kids in the frame? Lovely. I would really like to purchase this for my room. I think it's kind of cool. Pretty. Pretty. Not pretty. Woohoo! I love that tree. I love that building. Can I get a decent enough shot out of this that shows the building, that really shows the contrast? A person sitting there would make all the difference, or a person standing there would make all the difference, but we'll have to make do with whatever we have. I really love how simple this is. The architecture, man, Chandigarh, buildings in Chandigarh is something else. It's just so unique, so stunning, so gorgeous. The trees, the buildings, everything, it just stands out. Focus. Nah, not worth it. People got luxury cars and with the sunroofs, and the best use that they can think of the sunroof is to let their kids out, let them pop their heads out. Oof. I really love this tree. Pretty. Okay, that's one mean looking car. My knowledge is limited and it's riding with a temporary number. Pretty. Pretty. It's the red looking cars. This park has got some lovely trees. So let's spot them, shoot them, and get the F out of here. Now I really love this frame. It's frame in frame, but it's quite empty, so it's kind of pointless to take a photo of that. Plenty bougainvilleas around. Wow, that was unexpected. Love that. Quite a lot of distractions here. The flowers are pretty. Pretty. It's a weird coincidence. I've been taking photos, and I guess this is my third photo with the same subject. It might, if she turns around, she might feel like I'm stalking her and I'm taking her photos. That's purely coincidental. But she has now gone a separate way, so these are some gigantic, ginormous trees that I would love to photograph, but the trickiest part is the 50 mm. I need something 18 or 24 millimeters for this. Okay. Spot on. need a subject here. I ain't getting up until I get someone. I think I see someone is coming from afar. Okay, we have a subject arriving. We have one subject. I gotta shift a little. Okay, I'm gonna quickly change my lens. Please be quick, be quick. Okay, cool. I think I have what I wanted. I'm happy. It's time to ride away. Sorry, it's time to walk away now. So the battery on my camera has died, and that is the only reason why I'm stopping photographing right now. I'm again in sector 11 outside someone's house, standing in front of this amazing bougainvillea wall. I really have no clue how long this video is going to be. I have been shooting for past 3 hours and this has been nothing short of breathtaking. I've never shot anything like this within the city. I've never photographed in this much range, and yeah, this was a rather new experience for me. All I want to say is that the takeaway or the learning or the lesson or that one tip from the video is that one thing that I read on the board, just adding to it: slow down, look, photograph and go. That's it. That's the best piece of advice I guess one can give you when you're taking photos. Slow down, take it slow. Had I been going around on a motorcycle, I think I wouldn't have photographed as much as I did today. Buildings, people, trees and whatnot. It has been nothing short of phenomenal. So if you've been watching this video so far, thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in and just being a part of this journey. And I want to encourage you to just go out and take photos. It's freaking amazing. If you're overthinking, if you want to just head out, pick up your phone, go out, take photos. It will give you a newer perspective to look at the world. So keep that in mind, and until next time, bye for now.